Commence your journey with the breathtaking Alpine landscapes, a world of towering peaks and serene valleys. This mountain range, sprawled across 8 European countries, is a spectacle of nature's grandeur. From the highest point of Mont Blanc in France to the charming valleys in Switzerland, the Alps are a mosaic of enchanting beauty. This mountainous haven is teeming with diverse flora and fauna. Majestic eagles soar high above the peaks, while elusive ibex navigate the rocky terrains. The lush alpine meadows, home to a myriad of wildflowers, paint the landscape in vibrant hues during the spring. And it's not just the natural beauty that draws people in. Thrill seekers from around the globe flock here for the exhilarating hiking, skiing and mountain climbing opportunities. The Alps offer a unique blend of adventure and tranquility that captivates every nature lover. Indeed, the Alps' captivating beauty leaves no visitor untouched. This is just the beginning of our journey through Europe's most enchanting landscapes. Stay with us as we continue to explore the continent's breathtaking natural wonders. Next, dive into the mesmerizing allure of the Mediterranean, an idyllic blend of sea, sun, and sand. This region is a marvel, with coastlines stretching into the horizon, kissed by the warm Mediterranean sun. The Mediterranean isn't just about its picturesque charm, it's the heart of unique biodiversity. From the olive groves of Greece to the azure waters of the Italian Riviera, each corner is a testament to nature's bounty. This region boasts a climate that's a dream for every traveller, a perfect balance of warm summers and mild winters. But the Mediterranean is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a cultural treasure trove. Each seaside town has a story, each cobblestone street echoes with history. Whether you're sailing around the Balearic Islands, exploring the ancient ruins in Sicily, or basking in the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera, the Mediterranean offers a myriad of experiences. The Mediterranean, with its vibrant blues and radiant sunshine, is a paradise on Earth. Venture into the Arctic's awe-inspiring landscapes, where nature paints with a palette of frost and ice. This vast cold wilderness stretches across 8 countries, boasting a unique geography that's as harsh as it is beautiful. From its towering glaciers and expansive ice fields to the deep icy blue seas, the Arctic is truly a testament to the power and majesty of nature. The Arctic is also home to a fascinating array of wildlife. Majestic polar bears roam the frosty tundra, while agile seals dart through frigid waters. Each creature, perfectly adapted to the harsh climate, adds another brushstroke to the Arctic's breathtaking natural canvas. And then there's the phenomenon that has captivated human imagination for centuries, the Northern Lights. This ethereal light show dances across the polar night sky, casting an otherworldly glow that leaves onlookers spellbound. The Arctic, with its stark beauty and ethereal lights, offers a truly magical experience. Now, wander through the picturesque British countryside, a tapestry of rolling hills and quaint villages. The landscape is a delightful mix of verdant meadows, ancient woodlands and babbling brooks, each element adding to the charm of this rustic paradise. The British countryside is steeped in history, with landmarks nestled in its folds that whisper tales of bygone eras. Stone circles, medieval castles and centuries-old pubs dot the landscape, each a testament to the rich cultural heritage that the countryside preserves. The local wildlife is equally captivating, with a variety of birds singing their melodies and deer prancing through the woods. The countryside is a haven for nature lovers, offering activities like hiking through the moors, birdwatching on the marshlands, and simply basking in the beauty of the wildflowers that bloom in the spring. The British countryside, with its serene charm, provides a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle. Finally, explore the dramatic volcanic landscapes of Iceland, where fire meets ice in a stunning display of nature's power. This place is a marvel of geological features, a testament to the restless earth beneath our feet. Picture a land where towering volcanoes stand sentinel, their slopes adorned with verdant mosses and rare Arctic flowers. Imagine the thrill of watching a geyser erupt, shooting steaming hot water towards the sky in a spectacular display. Envision the soothing comfort of natural hot springs, heated by the very same volcanic activity that shapes this rugged terrain. Iceland is not just about the fire, it's also about the ice. Glaciers carve their paths through the landscape, creating dramatic valleys and fjords. The interplay between these forces of nature is a captivating spectacle, a dance between creation and destruction, life and rebirth. Iceland's landscapes, with their raw and primal beauty, are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. To conclude, Europe's landscapes offer a diverse and unparalleled visual feast, from the towering Alps to the vibrant Mediterranean, the magical Arctic, the serene British countryside, and the dramatic Icelandic terrains. Indeed, these landscapes are a testament to the planet's incredible diversity. Each one a unique masterpiece painted by nature herself. Let's take a moment to revisit these breathtaking locales. The Alpine beauty is more than just a mountain range. It's a haven of tranquility and majesty, with its snow-capped peaks, verdant valleys, and crystal-clear lakes. It's an ethereal world where time seems to stand still, inviting us to pause and marvel at the spectacle of nature's grandeur. Then we have the Mediterranean charm, a vibrant tapestry of colors, cultures, and landscapes. From the azure waters to the lush olive groves, the Mediterranean is a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations that captivate the senses and nourish the soul. Next, the Arctic wonders serve as a stark reminder of nature's raw power and sublime beauty. The northern lights dancing in the polar night sky, the icebergs glistening in the midnight sun, the vast tundra echoing with the call of the wild. It's a world of contrasts and extremes that's as enchanting as it is inspiring. The British countryside, meanwhile, is a serene oasis of rolling hills, quaint villages, and picturesque landscapes. It's a place where history and nature coexist in harmony, offering a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Lastly, the volcanic landscapes of Iceland, with their rugged beauty and dramatic terrains, are an ode to the forces that shape our planet. The geysers, lava fields, and glaciers are a testament to the ever-changing, ever-evolving nature of our world. These landscapes are not just places on a map. They're living, breathing entities that hold countless stories, secrets, and surprises. They beckon us to explore, to learn, and to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds us. Remember, every landscape has a story to tell, so get out there and start discovering.
At Far Life, we're not just about knowing more, we're about understanding better. So partake in this intellectual feast and let's collectively satiate our curiosity. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Subscribe to Far Life. Here we don't just live life, we explore it.